The moment of truth has arrived for Stinky Truck. I took my Stanley Steamer battery charger, hooked it up. Well, I let the truck sit overnight, not on the battery charger. So I'm curious, having lights going on is a good thing. Is Stinky Truck going to be able to move? Is the $1 million question. Here we go. Houston, we have contact. Dun, 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 dun. Stinky Truck lives. I got to put Stinky Truck on the street because my darling wife, my beautiful, my everything, my sunflower, is borrowing Nanny's car in case she needs it tomorrow. Yeah, and there goes the camera. Can you still hear me? Hopefully Stinky Truck does not blow up in a ball of flames. There is heavy, heavy, heavy rain coming yet again. And well, Stinky Truck can take the brunt of that because it needs a car wash anyway from spending all winter in the garage.